the tax prep business is not complicated at all to start first as a threshold inquiry. It just requires a lot of work. And why start one? Because it's highly lucrative. It, to me, is the most lucrative service business with the least uh, barriers of entry, the fewest barriers of entry, and certainly the least initial outlay. So that the risk reward makes it an incredible opportunity. Well, what's beautiful, if you come through our door, that's if you look to get into the tax preparation through America's Tax Office, you need to have no other credentials other than a desire to succeed. We're concerned less, or we're not concerned not at all with credit background or education. Point of fact, we're going to train you and tell you what it is you need to know. We need people who have desire and want to start a tax prep business. Our value proposition's a lot different. The major national tax franchises want an enormous amount of money up front before a nickel's been made. They do that because of their perceived brand value. What we know is brand value or not, you're going to get out. You're going to have to get out there and go after it and work hard for your to get the business. So what I tell people is come through our door. Our fees are in the hundreds of dollars, not thousands. We don't make any money until you do. In fact, the only way we make money is by making our affiliates prosper. So we think what we do is infinitely more honest. Sky's the limit, really. You're limited only by your own ingenuity and desire to work hard. I can tell you as a practical matter, we have people who make as little or as much as they want. Our most successful affiliates are making six-figure money doing this, working only during the tax season. The best place to open your tax business is in an urban area where there are other successful tax offices. What's nice about coming on through us is we have proprietary software called the America's Tax Office Tax Demographics Tool, which shows us where to locate to be the most successful. So we use that data. We don't throw it arts at a board. We bet on sure things. We locate our people where the data says they will succeed. We have very specific guerrilla marketing techniques that are on detailed training videos that are available to those who sign up with America's tax offices. We use techniques where the affiliate carries the message directly to the consumer themselves, things that cost little but require a lot of effort. You certainly want to have your location selected and locked down by Black Friday, the Friday after Thanksgiving. And you want to start marketing aggressively on the ground level in the street then. But as a prior matter or preliminary to that, you could start sphere of influence efforts. And there's some things that you could do now or substantially before tax season or year round. But the meat and potatoes of it, you need to be in there with your sleeves rolled up, ready to go to work after Black Friday, like I said, on Black Friday throughout tax season. There's about 238 million people file tax returns. So you got 56% of those people using a pay preparer. So quite a lot of folks. The target market's just huge. That's another reason that makes this business so unique and profitable is the size of the target market. Why did I choose this business? Because there are certainties in life. There are a few certainties in life. One certainty is taxes. And when you have something that is that necessary, it becomes indispensable to American life. And the unique target market that we pursue, the earned income tax credit crowd, is not sensitive to price at all. And our product's unique because for that group, there's no cash out of pocket at time of service. So I'm offering them a service where they have to pay us nothing up front, where the net result is us getting them a check. They're happy to come to us and make their purchase, and the price is of little consequence. And so that's why we chose this business. Bank product tax return is a tax return wherein the tax preparer is not paid by the taxpayer up front, and instead the tax preparer uses the bank to withhold the tax prep fee from the return. This is absolutely the most lucrative type of tax return, and make no mistake about it, every retail tax office in America, this is the bedrock core client, the bank product client. You can make hundreds of dollars per return for a half hour's worth of work. As an America's Tax Office affiliate, you'll be paid in the following way. As the returns fund on Thursday, we'll send you a detailed reconciliation statement listing each individual customer's tax return that you prepared with their Social Security number, the amount of tax prep fees charged. We'll show you our percentage, your percentage, and then we will do an ACH transfer that Thursday. That's a transfer from our bank to yours, and you'll receive your deposit Friday. So we do it Thursday, you get the money Friday, effectively making Friday payday. I can tell you that as a matter of personal conviction, the reason that I started America's Tax Office was to help people like you, the little guy, get access to a business that could change his life. I can tell you this right now, this has radically changed my life, and I want to help you change your life. Now, make no mistake about it. There's no get rich quick here. There's no substitute for hard work. But if you come alongside me and listen to what we have to say, I promise you that your life will be materially changed.